You know, when it comes to fat loss, there's this overwhelming sea of information out there. Everyone has their own secret formula, their magic pill, their latest trend. But let's strip it down to the basics. It's not about the latest fad. It's about consistency and finding exercises that work for you. So, let's talk about 8 effective full-body fat loss exercises that anyone can do, regardless of fitness level or experience. First up, we have the classic squat. It's simple, yet it engages multiple muscle groups. You're working your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Just think about it. Every time you squat, you're not just lowering your body, you're building strength and burning calories. And you can do it anywhere. No gym required. Next, let's move on to push-ups. They're not just for the gym rats. Push-ups are a fantastic way to engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Modify them if you need to. Do them on your knees or against a wall. The key is to keep your body in a straight line and focus on your form. Then we have burpees. The burpee. Love them or hate them, they're a powerhouse for fat loss. You're combining a squat, a push-up, and a jump all in one move. It's a full-body workout that gets your heart rate up and torches calories. Don't forget about lunges. Forward, backward, or side lunges. Each variation targets different muscles. They're great for building leg strength and improving balance. Plus, you can add weights to increase the intensity. Now, let's talk about mountain climbers. They're not just for climbers. This exercise combines cardio and strength training. You're in a plank position, driving your knees toward your chest. It's a killer workout for your core and gets your heart pumping. Next on the list is the plank. It's a static exercise, but don't let that fool you. Holding a plank engages your entire body, especially your core. You can challenge yourself with variations like side planks or plank jacks to keep things interesting. 7th, we have jumping jacks, a classic for a reason. They're a great way to get your heart rate up and can be done anywhere. Plus, they're easy to modify if you need a low-impact version. Finally, let's not overlook the power of high knees. This exercise is fantastic for getting your heart rate up while working your legs and core. Just imagine running in place, bringing your knees up to your chest. It's fun, it's energizing, and it burns calories. So there you have it. 8 exercises that can help you on your fat loss journey. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just your body and the determination to move. Remember, it's about finding what works for you and sticking with it.